a handful of Wall Street's biggest firms are slashing their S&P 500 forecasts for the year, predicting lower stock market returns thanks to a difficult quarterly earnings season ahead as companies wrestle with surging inflation and rising interest rates. Despite the gloomier forecasts recently, most Wall Street firms still predict a market rebound by the end of 2022, with the majority of price targets implying modest upside from the S&P 500's current level of around 3,850. UBS and Evercore ISI's most recent forecasts for the benchmark index both imply roughly 8% upside from current prices, while Oppenheimer's price target suggests the market will rally nearly 25%. Even Morgan Stanley's bearish outlook of 3,900 would mean stocks post a slight gain by the end of the year. Even as recession fears remain front and center, not all Wall Street firms are forecasting an economic downturn. Analysts at Credit Suisse, for instance, also slashed their S&P 500 price target to 4,300 from 4,900, but argued that the economy's current slowdown is not recessionary. Recessions are most accurately characterized by a meltdown in employment accompanied by an inability of consumers and businesses to meet their financial obligations, Credit Suisse analyst Jonathan Golub said in a note on Tuesday. While we are currently experiencing a meaningful slowdown in economic growth, from extremely high levels, neither of the above conditions are present today. UBS strategist Keith Parker similarly sees slowing growth but no recession, with modest gains for the stock market ahead as he predicts. Investors remain nervous about the upcoming inflation report on Wednesday, with experts predicting that consumer prices for June will surge higher than the 8.6% recorded in May. S&P 500 loses over 1% as investors brace for shaky earnings season, Looming Inflation Report. Forbes stocks fall after U.S. economy adds back 372,000 jobs in June. Forbes Federal Reserve prepares more big rate hikes amid risk that high inflation could become entrenched. Forbes stocks close out W.